second, every minute. Man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am in Florida. I'm not in Miami. I think we in a town called Aventura. I think that's what it's called, something like that. But anyways, y'all, I didn't vlog me getting ready for the airport and all that this time because it was very hectic. Me and my sister, we missed our flight. Then they had us waiting on the next flight. It wasn't enough room. We waited on another one. It wasn't enough room, but only one of us got to come. So I ended up flying out by myself, and my sister waited on the next one, and we finally here. We actually was supposed to be here at 1 p.m. and I think it's like 8 o'clock. But we here, y'all. I'm here to have my liposuction. So I didn't even get to go to pre-op, but they did make some special arrangements for me to go in the morning and have surgery tomorrow. So I have to make the best of this little bit of time, find me something to eat because I haven't ate nothing. And I'm supposed to stop eating at 12 o'clock. But I want to show y'all the room. Y'all want a room tour? Y'all see the view though? That looks so pretty. You can see the town. Let me show y'all. Look. You see the town. We can just keep the window open, Mika. And then we got our room. We staying at the Hilton, y'all. It's very nice. And exquisite. We not touching none of this because everything on here, gummy bears, $77. I love gummy bears. They $7. Okay, so this is the restroom. Nice shower, glass shower. Me. Toilet. But yeah, y'all, we finna find us somewhere to eat. I guess we'll change clothes real quick because I need to eat before midnight. I'm hungry. What they call it, hangry. I hate we made it so late because we really, well, I guess we could really stay up. I can sleep tomorrow. Yeah, I hope they don't cancel me because of my BMI because somebody been eating. So that's, hopefully they don't do that. But yeah, this how I was on the airport with my little Skims on. I don't forgot the name of the colors, but I know the top and the jacket is this bone. I forgot the name of this color. Mineral probably, I don't know. So guess we'll just look up a restaurant or something like that to see where we're gonna eat at. And I just want to say hey and start this vlog out so we can see how this journey goes. Y'all pray for me, pray for us, me and my sister, my big thudder. Want to say hey to the vlog?
Hey y'all, I'm tired.
Man, I ain't never been through that in the airport. I said I won't never miss my flight no more, and I did it again, but this time it was worse. So I ain't missing my flight no more. I don't know. We couldn't even find nowhere to park at the airport. That's how crowded it was. But this view, y'all, oh my goodness, it's pretty. Cute view. Okay, so I guess let me look up somewhere where we can eat. And then I guess I'll pick y'all back up if we go out to eat, if we go downstairs. I don't know what we're gonna do. But I got my camera out now, so I'll pick y'all back up when we figure that part out. Okay, y'all, so okay, I'm vlogging from my phone. We ended up finding this little taco place called Bodega. So it was right by the room. We was walking to the Cheesecake Factory, but we was passing by this and we just hungry, so we gonna eat here. And it feels good outside. So we decided to sit out here, have our food. My sister just went in there to get it. I'm tired. I'm tired. I was up late. Well, no, I went to sleep. My friend woke me up in the middle of the night, and so we ran errands before I left in the middle of the night. So sister tired, because I know I had fell asleep with my mouth open on the plane. But anyway, y'all, I'm excited. Like I said, I hope they don't cancel me for my BMI. They never mentioned it. But I did see it on my paperwork yesterday. Out of all the time I've been communicating, so I'm hoping that goes well, so I can take y'all on this journey with me in the morning. So we finna just eat real quick, and we gonna. I need to walk, I guess, to the bank, and then we're gonna walk back to the room and get settled in, because that room is very comfortable. Yeah, I need to edit my other vlog, y'all. I have to get back on it. I don't feel off. Trying to see how you call. Dang, how you call front desk on here? I hit 0. Let me turn this around. Where is it? Hello. Hi, I wanted to ask, is there a way we can get a microwave, or do y'all have a complimentary microwave? It's on the 8th floor? Okay, thank you. All right, bye-bye. So I was trying to get us a microwave, because I seen like where some hotels they don't have it in the room. All you have to do is ask. So I asked, and y'all heard me tonight, do you have a complimentary? I'm not trying to pay nothing extra, but they said that they do have a microwave that you can use on the 8th floor. That's where we're gonna be warming up our food at. So we went to what is the name of this? Bodega, Tequila and Tequila. Their food was really good. I had ordered quesadillas and it came with 4. I still have 2. I was so hungry and now I'm full. My sister ordered the nachos. I tasted hers. They were good. It was really good. It wasn't a fancy restaurant or nothing like that. Just like a little casual, just a little casual grill, but it was really good and it was close. So got that out the way. I'm trying to think. I'm really tired. See, if we would have came earlier, I would have did my pre-op, and then we could have went walking, went to the beach, maybe went to the pool, because they got a really nice pool here too. But things didn't go as planned, but we're here, so I know I probably won't be able to go to the pool tomorrow, but Friday, if I'm feeling up to it, I might sit outside at the pool. So we'll see, y'all. My stomach hurt. I done ate. I'm gonna use the restroom, and so I'll get back with y'all in a minute. Good morning, y'all. It is Thursday, and we headed to Walmart early in the morning because I didn't bring no gown that's open at the front. I did buy a robe, but we need to get some water, Gatorades, and stuff like that. So then my sister will have to do all that by herself. So I'm gonna try to do a supermarket sweep real quick. See if we can go there and back so I can make it to through the drive-through. I don't know. Oh, we came, but from that way though. Like this way. It would be so pretty in Miami, y'all. Have to try to mix these vlogs up. Some of them on my phone, some of them on the camera. Just like that other one.
Water, Gatorade, Sprite, smoothie drink, or proteins.
What's a smoothie? Oh, yeah. If we get the smoothie, it ain't gonna be frozen. I was gonna order one. A Smoothie King. Drink. You get one for Smoothie King. Where we come to? A Smoothie King?
Yeah.
Lipo bring. I mean, what is it called? Uber Eats. All right, y'all. So we walking to find an ATM before the lift pick us up. So we'll pick the camera up later. We probably should have went the other way. Good morning, y'all. I'm sorry I did not pick up. I don't even know when I picked up the camera. Probably when I was going to pre-op. Y'all, when I left surgery, I wanted y'all. I thought my sister said she was gonna vlog the real raw and uncut, but she didn't turn the camera on me. For some reason, when I be coming off the anesthesia, I be so irritable and can't get comfortable. I be kicking and all of that. So I'm feeling better now. It's the next morning. But y'all want to see the ugly truth? It ain't all fun and games. Do y'all see this bed? Oh my goodness. And that goes from me kicking the covers and all of that. I just couldn't get right. Yeah, my sister finna show y'all what I look like.
Hold on, Nate. I'm gonna call you back. Okay. Hi, y'all. So, I'm Mika. If y'all can see my sister, I'm finna... Wait a minute.
Oh, turn the camera around.
I know.
Okay.
I wanted to talk.
Oh, look. So you can see yourself.
Oh. So, y'all... I didn't want to record her because she was, like, totally out of her element. But... this is what she looks like on the after effect. So I'm finna turn this part around, Gina.
Yeah, just flip it and then you can turn the whole camera. The way you can see what you're recording.
Oh. So this is her body, how the leakage is coming out. They had me to go, when you bleed like that, they have you to drink a lot of real beet juice. You know, like the nasty beet juice. Some people might like it, but
It ain't that nasty. My hemoglobin was barely enough. It was like 11.
and if she did get her arms done, if y'all can see at the top part of her arms where they are bruised, front and back.
They were smaller than this, so I think it's swelling up. They finna put a compression garment on.
So we finna get ready to go to the post-op massage appointment. Hopefully they can get her cleaned up. I swear the room is beautiful, but it looked like somebody done got murdered up in this piece.
They said when we first came.
It was pretty though, but now look at it.
I don't know how much of that deposit they gonna take it.
So as y'all can see, beauty is pain.
It ain't all beautiful. I wanted to show y'all because the other surgery I was doing good. I only got cut, no lipo. So this how you know you got lipo, all that drainage and fluid.
Yeah, it look like somebody triple jumped my sister.
I'm looking crazy. So
Okay, so we gonna get dressed and I guess we'll do a little bit more when she getting out at the place and or whatever. I don't know if they'll let me take it in, but I'll just try to. Yeah. Okay.
Turn
What I do now?
Just the red button.
Oh.
Hey y'all, I'm sorry I have not been vlogging. I'm gonna have to, when I end this vlog, I'm gonna have to do another video just filling in the gaps or whatever. But I'm back at home. I made it home last night. I had my surgery Thursday. Today is, what is today? Sunday. So what's that make me? It's Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So 3 days post-op. See the bruising on my arms. Y'all, I'm gonna have to catch y'all back up. I just picked up the camera. I wanted to show y'all. Look, y'all, my daughter, she lined my bed up with pads. What she finna do is attempt to massage some of this fluid out of my stomach. I am gonna get another massage, but for today she gonna try to do it for me. So I'm finna lay here, then I'm gonna wrap all up. I'm draining pretty good, even just by itself without even being touched. So yeah, my experience at Dawes was amazing. Like I like I said, I'll make another video and kind of go over, you know, the gaps and all of that, because I haven't been vlogging that well. But whew, y'all, what I was saying, my experience at Dawes was amazing. I love the fact that everyone there can speak English. You know, that really made a difference. I didn't feel rushed. It seemed like people like their job there, if you know what I'm saying. That's always a plus. And yeah, oh, I'm gonna lay down for a minute. I just got out the shower. I'm looking rough, so I'm finna like just let her rub me down. I'm gonna patch up. Like I said, I'm still draining really good. Put on some clothes and sit up. So then I'm gonna let her comb my hair so I can look like at least something. And then I'll probably pick the camera back up. I might show you, I don't know if I'm gonna show her rubbing my belly, but I'm gonna try to plan a professional massage too, for today, my daughter. If y'all don't have a daughter, get y'all one, because she's the best. Oh, my sister was amazing, y'all. She had a lot of stuff to do, so she had to go back to Houston, but she was amazing. Like, I'm thankful, grateful. Y'all see this bump? Ugh. Skin won't never let me be great, but let me lay down for a minute. I already took my pain pills. I have oxycodone. So yeah, I already did that. And yeah, I'm finna lay down, let her just kind of smush and rub on my belly and my back and my arms, and then I'm gonna wrap up, and then I'll pick y'all back up.
Put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can kick it. Man, I swear that she can get it. Man, I swear that she can get it. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that